Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cornbread chili pie. Alright, I'm starting on my multi-pan that I have preheated. And I'm going to start by adding a pound of ground beef. And I'm also going to add in, after I get this in, I'm going to add in a pound of sausage, ground sausage pork. Now I'm going to fry these together for a few minutes till they start to turn brown. And then I'm going to add in my onion and garlic. And if there's any excess grease, I'll drain that. I'm putting in 2 cloves of garlic, guys. Alright, now that my ground beef and sausage is brown, I drained off the excess grease and I added in the onion halfway through the frying. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of diced up garlic. If you use fresh, use 2 cloves. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. Turn my heat back on. It's a medium high. I'm going to add in 2 packs of taco seasoning mix. That's if I don't drop it. Let me grab a spoon. Okay, now I'm going to give that a stir. Dexter smells this taco mixture. You can hear him in there yelling for Eric. Alright, now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'm just pretty much eyeballing this. Dexter, Eric's upstairs in his room. And I'm going to stir that in. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. It's going to help thicken it up and also give it a good tomato flavor on top of that taco flavor. Alright, now I'm going to add in a can of chili beans that I drained. I didn't rinse them, I just drained them, guys. I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is 10 ounce juice and all. Dexter, who are you yelling at? Dexter likes Mexican food. He likes the smell of it. Now I have some frozen corn here. This is a 12 ounce pack. I'm not sure how much I'm going to put in. I'm going to add at least a cup. We'll see how it looks. There's about a cup. And I hate for the rest of this corn to go to waste, guys, so I think I'm just going to dump it in here. Everybody in the house loves corn. And if you don't like corn, you can leave it out or substitute it with something else. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes while we make the cornbread topping. Alright, now in a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 packs of Jiffy cornbread mix. Now if you're southern folk and you're good at making cornbread, you can make yours homemade. But I'm a northern guy and we don't do cornbread too often, so I'm using the packaged stuff. I'm going to add in 2/3 cup of milk. Put this over here. And I'm going to add in 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. And my mixture, or not my mixture, my chili is over here simmering while I mix this together. Dexter! He's just being a character today. Now to this I'm going to add about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Stir that in. Alright, let me move this aside for right now and bring over my chili. See, that's a little runny yet, but that there is going to go in the oven, so that'll tighten up some. Okay, now I'm going to take some cheese and I'm going to spread some cheese on top of the chili. We want this cheesy, guys. That's about a half a cup. I'm going to take my cornbread mixture that we made and get that down top of the chili. These stoneware bowls are nice, but they are kind of heavy. The bigger you get, the heavier they get. I'm just going to lightly spread my cornbread out over top, trying not to blend the chili up over the top too much. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 375 degree oven uncovered for 35 to 45 minutes so the cornbread is golden brown and everything's all cooked through. Alright guys, this went for 40 minutes. I took it out and left it rest for 10 minutes. See how nice and golden brown the cornbread is? Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Look at how good that looks. See how flaky the cornbread is? It's really good. Cornbread's nice and flaky. Sweetness to it. It's cheesy, has a classic taco chili flavor to it. Alright, there you have it. Cornbread chili pie. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.